and send. Oh, hey, what's up? You want to know what I'm doing? I'm making $30 per hour simply Googling things. And if you want to see how to make money online with Google in 2020, this is the video for you. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online with Google in 2020 and 2021. This is a super simple strategy. You can use this from anywhere in the world, and all you need is a computer with an internet connection, access to your Google browser, and you're good to go. Okay, now I'm going to show a company that actually pays up to $30 for simple data collection. But before, let me give away $25 to my subscribers. If you want to win $25 right now, please like this video, subscribe to the channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I actually know where to send the $25 to. And right now, let me share my screen and let's jump into this video. How to make money online with Google in 2020. Okay, so obviously you're gonna have to open your Google search browser, and what I did here is I typed in CrossFit Shorts. Okay, so there are companies out there that are willing to pay you for just doing data research, data analysis, and this works from anywhere in the world because these companies actually want to see what kind of data you're getting for different keywords like CrossFit Shorts. Okay, so what you have to do, you're gonna get these keywords from these companies like CrossFit Shorts, like maybe any other product that they are currently researching, and what they want to know is what pops up on the first position, second, third position, etc. Okay, so as you can see on the first position, we have different CrossFit shorts that we can actually buy from Google, from Keiko, from Red Brain, or whatever these brands are. Then we have Reebok, then we have Men's Health, then we have Amazon, Reebok again, Rogue Fitness. So essentially what these companies wants to know is what you are seeing from whatever you are connecting from. Okay, and even from within the United States, you're gonna get different results based on where you're connecting from, which city. Okay, so this is super simple. That's all you need to do. All you have to do is send this data to the company I'm about to show you, and you can make up to $30 per hour. And I'm going to show you some proof as well. Now, the website that will actually pay you for all of this is Appen, APPEN.com. You can go to this website. It's free to join, and all you have to do is click on jobs right here. So we're going to click on this button right here. This will open up this page, and as you can see, you can make money with Google using this company in a bunch of different ways. Now they have different projects which you can sign up for. They have micro tasks, like this is super easy jobs you can do for a few dollars. But where we're going to be making money using Google is right here, surveys and data collection. Okay, so what you can do is just click on apply. Let me just open this in a new browser. As you can see, you have all the information right here. So as you can see, it says the goal of this project is to tap into the collective intelligence of the public at large. Results of tasks will be used in a wide variety of applications: data annotation, multimedia, sentiment analysis, and search engine result evaluation. Okay, so what you need is a computer with Microsoft Vista, Microsoft Windows or above, 3 to 5 years of residency in the country where you're connecting from, and Windows Live ID. Okay, so that's all you need. You can start Googling, you can start making money online with Google. This works in 2020 right now. It will work in 2021 and beyond. Okay, so all you have to do is just fill out this form right here, set up an account, and they will send you all the information on how to start, how to make money. Obviously, you're gonna have to give them your PayPal email or however you want to get paid. And right now, let me show you some proof of how much this company is actually paying you for Googling. Okay, so you can go to Indeed.com and search for Appen. This is a website that is a proof for different salaries for different companies. Okay, so as you can see, they have a bunch of different proof right here. But what we want to be doing right here is we will be a data collector, and as you can see, data collector right here earns $30 per hour. This is absolutely crazy, guys. You don't have to do anything else apart of Googling things and just sending the data to Appen. Okay, so they have a bunch of additional positions. As you can see, they have social media specialists, so you can do the same but on social media. You have analyst, $16 per hour, data analyst, per year, so you can actually have a full-time salary with them if you want to. English teacher, you know, just a side job that you can do. But again, what we want to be doing is we want to be a data collector, and we want to make $30 per hour. Now again, they have a bunch of different positions, and another website I found is glassdoor.com, and you can look up salaries of the people working for Appen, and as you can see, you have a bunch of different salaries right here. You have social media evaluator, hourly $14 per hour. We have web search evaluator, $14 per hour as well. We have an independent hourly contractor, $12 per hour. We have ads quality rater, $11 per hour. We have independent consultant, $15 per hour. So as you can see, you can do a bunch of different things with this company. But again, what we want to be doing is just getting all this data from Google. This is how you're going to be making money online using Google and nothing else. Okay, so guys, that's the video I got for you today. Before you go, if you want to win $25 that I'm giving away today in this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I know where to send the $25 to. And don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. I have tons of free stuff that you can check out my social media as well. Check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. I'm always recording videos on making money online, working from home. So obviously in this video you saw how to make money online with Google in 2020, but I have a variety of different subjects, so not only Google but anything related to making money online. Check out all the rest of this video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll be seeing you shortly in the next video. Ciao.